AC Woodlands. I hope all of you are doing well at home and all the children are engaged in our home-based learning kit. So today I'm going to introduce to you the children's favorite dish. Do you know what it is? Can the children guess what it is? It is steamed egg with minced or diced chicken with carrots and mushroom. So as you can see on this table, we have 8 ingredients that you need for this dish. Do note that these measurements are only for 5 children. So here goes. We have 5 eggs, 150 grams of chicken, it can be diced or minced, 50 grams of button mushrooms, 100 grams of carrots, half a teaspoon of sesame oil, quarter teaspoon of soya sauce, a quarter teaspoon of white pepper, and also 250 ml of vegetable or chicken stock. Now I'm going to welcome you, Auntie Hamida.
Hi, good morning. My name is Auntie Hamida. I'm working for my first school for 10 years. You all miss me? Okay, today I'm going to cook steamed egg. I'm going to cook this dish and show you.
We're going to have Auntie Hamida to show us how to prepare this dish. So she starts off with the eggs first, cracking it into a bowl first before she transfers it to the mixing bowl so that she can check whether the eggs are spoiled or not. So children at home, you can also help your mummies and daddies to crack the eggs, okay? Right. After that, the chicken. Next is the button mushroom. Then the carrots. Sesame oil. Soya sauce, white pepper, and the last one is the vegetable or chicken stock. Now she's going to mix everything together.
After I steam the egg, 15 to 20 minutes. Ta-da!
Looks good. Children, do you miss this dish? So you can help your mommy and daddy to prepare this dish at home, okay? Since you all know how to prepare already. Do let us know your experience of preparing this dish at home with us. And thank you, Auntie Hamida, for preparing this dish.
Bye-bye.
Bye!